Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look UK. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily install your frontal. This video is actually for beginners. If you've tried to install frontal before, you didn't get it right, and you've never tried and you wish to install your frontal yourself, this is the right video for you. I'm going to talk you guys step by step on how I install this frontal, and I bet you by the time you finish this video, you are going to thank me later. Seriously. So guys, we're going to dive into this video now, but before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please and please again support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please and please again, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. And by the time you're done with this video, if you think you like it, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up before you leave. And also, if you want to order the head I'm wearing right now, I'll be leaving the handle on the description section, so you can actually order it direct from Instagram. So guys, without taking too much of your pretty time, let's dive into the video. Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys. So the first thing you need to do is to lay your edges down. I'm using the Got2b glue, spray it through it and then brush it down, and use your hand dryer to dry it so the frontal can be laid very flat. So that's the first step of laying your frontal. I don't want to talk too much on this video. I would just like you guys to watch what I am doing. If you follow what I am doing, if you really follow what I am doing, you won't miss any step. It's very easy to lay a frontal, but some people think it's a rocket science. It's not. It's easy to lay a frontal. So I'll just let you watch through what I am doing, and then you'll be able to figure it out on how you can easily lay your frontal. After laying the cap down, I'm sorry about that, I just try to secure the back with needle and thread. Just sew it down so it doesn't start pulling up when my frontal is on. So what I did off camera was to put more of the Got2b and then just use the hand dryer on it. That's why it's looking laid. And the glue I'll be using is the 5D glue, clear glue. It's very nice. It's good for beginner because you won't see any of those white residues on it because it's very clear. So just lay it in between the cap and your scalp where you want your frontal to be laid. So just lay it and spread it around so that it can be thin, not thick on one area. So after doing that, what you do is to use your hand dryer on it again. You will see when I will touch it, if it's dry, you will know because it will be sticky. But if it's not dry, that gum will be just drawing out. You could see it's not dry, it's not properly dry. So I'll just need to dry it again. It don't have to be very dry, but it will be sticky when it is okay for you to lay your frontal. That's how it will look. So after doing that, I just put my foundation, my powder on the lace, just to make sure that the lace matched with my skin color. So that's all I did next. And make sure when you're laying the frontal, make sure you're laying it exactly where you actually put the gum. So it's not below the gum, it's not above the gum. Just put it exactly where you lay the gum, so you don't end up cutting the lace and you find out that it's either below the gum, your frontal is either below the gum or above the gums. That will actually help a lot. Just take note of that. One thing I actually realized I'm not good at is cutting my lace or my frontal on the cam. Looking at my camera and try to cut, it's kind of difficult for me. But if you're not filming, it will be very okay for you because you're just looking direct to the mirror. While I'm combing it down is to make sure that the frontal is stick to my skin, my scalp. That is the reason why you comb it down. It gives it more hold. So this band I'm going to use to tie the edges down is really very good. I bought a very big length of the band and then I just cut the one that will be enough for me to tie my edges down. It works a lot. For beginners, you really need this because it just press the frontal down a lot. Look at that. So funny enough, I'm not really actually good at looking at the mirror. I'm trying to look at the camera to trim the front and it's a little bit difficult. So if you find any excess gum or glue on your hair, just use what I'm using is the baby wipe, my baby wipe, and just use it to clean out any excess glue at the front. At this stage, if you don't want to lay down a baby hair, what you can do is to spray the got-to-be glue on it and then tie it down with the rubber band as well, and it will look very layered. You won't see the edges of the lace. So that's what you do if you don't want to lay the baby hair down. So just to separate the baby hair from the hair at the back, I'll just spray the got-to-be on it. It's to actually give it an extra hold and just lay that area flat. It's really very nice when you do that. So I'm going to tie it down again just for a few minutes. And then you can see the difference. You can see the difference just spraying the got-to-be. So if you're not putting a baby hair, this is how it will look if you spray the got-to-be and then just tie it down. You won't see the edges of your lace. So if you're putting baby hair, this is what you need to do. So I'm just going to use my styling mousse on it because with kinky, the wig I'm actually wearing is kinky straight hair, and you know kinky, if you've worn kinky before, you know how strong it is. So I need more of that styling mousse to actually lay it down. After doing that, I just use the band and tie it down again. This band, seriously, for a beginner, you want to lay your frontal, please, if you can't get anything, get this big band to lay it down. It's different from when you use any other lace, any other cloth to actually tie it down. It's really different. So after that, I just did a little makeup and then I'm back again. Look at that. Look at how nice the front is. It's really very nice. You can't actually trace where the lace are. Now, if you're laying a frontal and you want to put a part and you actually need it to look flat, you need your hot comb. You really need it. It works like magic. You need it anyhow you want it to look. It will give you the vibe that you actually need. So if you don't have hot comb, please get one. If you like to have the one that I'm actually using, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description section as well, so you can check it out. It's on Amazon and it's not expensive at all. So what I'm doing is just to use my foundation to define the pattern. Then after that, I'm using my edge flyaway edge control. You just use it to lay any flyaway on the wig that you can see, and it will lay very flat. You won't see any hair dangling on top of your frontal. So this is how it looked when I was done. Please guys, if you really like this video, please don't hesitate to support me by hitting on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please support your girl by hitting on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.